try some mics and see what happens. Sort of want to play with it here. This is John Boy. I'm on mode 3 on the sticks because I'm left-handed, so Right guys, we're trying out some new microphones. They weren't working good, so we've decided to do a voiceover now. Where we are, we're in Essex, a place called Tyler's Common. It's quite a big area. It's two massive areas. It's quite a lot of acres, very big open space. It's our first time being outside the garden, so hopefully this flight goes well. You can see all the paths, and they did underneath the little green bits in the paths, it is all gravel, so it's quite nice to walk. There's a lot of trees around here though, but you know, at the top where we are, there's not really much. You can see a really long way from here. You are on top of a hill. The road you might see in the background is the A127 going towards London and towards Southend. If anyone has got any tips on flying or anything to do with that, please put it in the comments, as we are very new to this. Not really flown much at all. This is probably my third flight. I noticed it was a bit juddery around there. I need to sort of work on getting it a bit smoother. See a few farms around and a few small country roads. Right in the distance you can see the City of London and Canary Wharf and things like that. This is probably the highest I've flown as well, because where I live, my garden's sort of surrounded by trees, so you've not really got a good sight line. The road in front of us is the A127, as I said before. coming into land here, and I'll try and get a bit of footage of the dog and see whether she is even bothered by the drone being quite close, but I don't think she is by her mood. Yeah, she's not bothered. I think she's just too tired. Anyway, we'll go up and towards the just practicing sort of flying around really. This is the most flying any distance I've done. As I said, if anyone's got any good tips or any good accessories or anything like that you think is worth buying. One of the problems I am having at the moment is I'm trying to find a really good tablet to fly with. I have got a Samsung tablet, A7 Light Cellular one. That's what I'm flying with now, but I don't think the screen display is that great. Maybe if I got a hood for it, might be worth it, but don't know. It's a bit of a farm. I think it's a horse place. There's some horses and things. Now we're going a little bit closer towards the A127, but we are still a long way away from it. Obviously we don't want to be obstructing anyone's sight and putting them off driving because they're seeing a drone. As you can see, it's quite a vast place, and this is only one section of it. You've got a big like a road in between, and then you cross the road and it carries on. It goes right up to them houses. It's not a bad little spot to do a bit of flying, to be honest. Not very many people around. Get the odd person, but not very many. This is Tyler's Common, and the section on the other side of the road, which the road is sort of over there, is called Page's Wood. Both of them. Page's Wood is more dense with the trees, as you can see in front of us, but you can still fly there, but this is more open. are coming in to sort of land here now. Just flying across a bit lower. We're sort of finishing up here. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video and hope you like and subscribe. Cheers. Thanks guys. Can't show you my dodgy landing just yet. Cheers.